Hello, readers! Are you ready to learn the alphabet with us today? Each letter makes a special sound, and we'll match it with a fun word that starts with that letter. Let's go, from A to Z.
A says a like apple. A, apple. B says b like ball. B, ball. C says k like cat. C, cat. D says d like dog. D, dog. E says like elephant. E, elephant. F says f like fish. F, fish. G says g like goat. G, goat. H says h like hat. H, hat. I says I like igloo. I, igloo. J says j like jelly. J, jelly. K says k like kite. K, kite. L says l like lion. L, lion. M says like moon. M, moon. N says n like nest. N, nest. O says like octopus. O, octopus. P says p like pizza. P, pizza. Q says qu like queen. Q, queen. R says like rabbit. R, rabbit. S says s like sun. S, sun. T says t like tiger. T, tiger. U says like umbrella. U, umbrella. V says v like van. V, van. W says w like watermelon. W, watermelon. X says x like xylophone. X, xylophone. Y says y like yogurt. Y, yogurt. Z says z like zebra. Z, zebra.
Awesome work, readers! You've just learned all the letters of the alphabet, their sounds, and a fun word that starts with each one. Keep practicing and keep reading. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you'll never miss a new lesson. See you next time, readers!